Hey, this is Jared, and welcome to Backroad Exploration. It is early Saturday morning, and I have got the GX pointed in the direction of some snow, which I'm excited about. A little life and channel update. It has been a while since I have made a video. I did a trip back in December of an incredible adventure with the people over at Expedition Utah for Freeze Your Tail Off. It was so much fun. Back in the very last day of September, we welcomed a new baby girl to our family, and man, Charlotte is 5, so there's a 5-year gap. This was very much a planned baby, but I feel like a brand new parent despite this being our 4th kid. There are a lot of things I forgot, and it's been just so fun. She has brought so much happiness to us, but it's definitely been a little bit of an adjustment. And in my day life, I work in the e-commerce space, and so the holidays are just absolute madness. And man, I just feel like I have not been out in the wilderness in forever. It's not technically true. I have been able to get out and do some fun things, but for someone who usually is out, exploring, camping, every other weekend just about, this has been a really long time coming. The good news is I do have some fun adventures planned, overnight adventures here in the future, which I'm excited about. But today I have just been aching to get out into the wilderness. I really don't know how to explain it, but if I go more than a week where I haven't spent time just exploring new places or being in the wilderness, and I really struggle with it. I don't know how to explain it. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but I do. And so anyways, today I am just trying to get out into the wilderness for a few hours. The boys have games this afternoon that I don't intend on missing. And so I just want to get out, explore a little bit in the snow, and just, maybe shake off the rust a little bit. Let's get going. Man, Utah's West Desert, we're just right on the brink of it. In fact, we're gonna actually head and go a little bit more south than west today, because I'm hoping to check out a couple of trails that I've never been on up here in these mountains. Hope to run into a little bit of snow, shouldn't be a ton. It looks like it's mostly just skiffs, but I really like this area. The pass that goes up here over the top to Eureka is a fun little drive. I think we'll probably do the whole thing and then maybe even backtrack back over it and do some more exploring over, and some of these little trails. Most of them are just spur trails and don't go anywhere. That's why I've passed them up in the past, is I've just been out to check them out, and usually I'm passing through, and so I've passed some of those up. This is one of the main reasons I love coming and doing little adventures like this, where I'm just coming to an area that I've spent a bunch of time, but my goal is to just drive down roads and trails that I've never been on. And this little looping trail loops back to several that I have been on many times. And it's going through this cool little canyon. You can see, in this nice little valley in between these two little mountain ranges. It's awesome. And I've been out here a ton. I've never been right here, and I love it.
Today's quick adventure takes me to the Tintic Mountains, which are a central Utah gem. The area in and around the tiny town of Eureka, Utah produced millions of ounces of gold, silver, and lead. These mountains are full of old mines and loads of history, including multiple ghost towns. Like much of Utah, the trails and roads were built by miners leading to their claims. While I have traveled through this area many times, the purpose of today's adventure is just to explore a few lonely spur trails and see where they go.
Well, the good news is I found a little bit of snow. Not a ton, it's pretty crispy. So if you get in some deeper spots and sink in, it gets pretty slick. Otherwise, it's not too bad, but man, I love this. I gotta do more of this. You know, taking the kids, taking the whole family, get out, even if it's just for a few hours on a Saturday, and find new places to love and explore, because man, I'm having a lot of fun today. It is just soft enough in spots that I'm just sinking. Ugh. Had to do it. There's just so much out here. I'm loving this. I'm working my way kind of a little bit north and west, and then I'm gonna head back south up over the pass into Eureka because it's just a fun drive. But as I'm out here, I'm just like, there's another trail, there's another trail, there's another trail that I want to go check out. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot more of this. I've been just craving to get out, and while I have some excellent overnight adventures upcoming and planned, I want to spend even more time out in the wilderness and stuff, and I need to do that kind of in day trip style sometimes like this. And when there's places like this that are pretty dang close to home, man, I need to be doing a lot more to get out and check them out.
I have said it many times, but spur trails are my favorite. It's not uncommon for them to lead to the best views, coolest campsites, and offer the best off-roading experience on an adventure. They also offer the opportunity to re-explore an area you have been to many times without feeling like you're covering the exact same ground. I marked more than one spot in today's adventure that I'm planning to come back to camp.
Just rolled over 12 o'clock. The boys' games are at 1:30 and 2. So I've got to start burning it back on the pavement. I should make it right in time for those. If you enjoyed this little quick adventure, please like and subscribe. Head into my backlog to see some of those. Pay attention, there's going to be some cool reviews coming up as well. And I have some